Want to jump over the stairs?
Go. It didn't land.
Welcome to Belly's Playground. Let's go fast.
Oh, noses. Oh! All right, we're doing fetch. Go. Oh, right into the wall.
Viewers.
You got it. Steady. Go, 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 go. All right, he's off the bed. Gotta make it over to the backflip towels. Keep going, keep going. All right, gotta turn towards the towels. Backflip. Got it. Keep going.
Is that the first backflip?
All right, and then we gotta go up to the ramp to get on the bed. Oh. All right, up. Off the bed, over to the other side. All right, we gotta turn to go over the other jump. The lava bed. He makes it, he's in the lava. Oh no, get him out, get him out. Oh, he's doing backflips now. Get him out, get him out, get him out. You can drive him through it if you want, Elliot. Just drive him through it. There you go. All right, now it's the mad dash to the finish. The last jump. There he goes! Ah! Oh no! Oh, still going! All the way, and he lands it!
Oh, let's turn him on the treadmill to see what this do on the treadmill. I want to see if it can do something on the treadmill. Turn on.
It's not gonna work, Elliot. I give you an A for effort.
Going out of control.
What the heck?
All right, stop it. And do it again.
Please subscribe to watch my videos.